The CORI surgical system uses handheld robotics-assisted technology designed to help your orthopedic surgeon plan and perform your unique procedure. This robotics-assisted approach is efficient and more accurate than traditional knee surgery. Your surgeon will use the CORI system to create a customized 3D digital model of your knee. This three-dimensional view helps finalize and verify the selection of your knee implant and create a plan for your surgery without the need for either a CT scan or MRI. During the procedure, the CORI system works in conjunction with your surgeon's surgical training to achieve accurate positioning of the knee implant based on your unique anatomy. The system sends precise information about your knee to the robotics-assisted handpiece more than 300 times per second, allowing your surgeon to remove damaged surfaces, balance your joint, and position the implant with accuracy. The result is a naturally shaped knee made from materials designed to last that is positioned with an added level of accuracy to allow for a quicker, smoother recovery.